Welcome to the class 12 students. In previous lecture, we discussed the second order derivative, and in this lecture, we also discussed the second order derivative and how can we solve the word problem question by the second order derivative in maximum minimum. The second in word problem. In this lecture, we discuss the word problem, and this is the very important. Every year, you get one question, 6 marks in the board examination. Now we give the some example. How can you solve the word problem question by the maxima and minima? Now in NCERT, we discuss the example 37 word problem question. Example 37. If the length, example 37, NCERT, example 37, NCERT. If the length of the three sides of the trapezium, other than base are equal to the 10 centimeter, find the area of the trapezium when it is the maximum. Understand the question? Example 37 NCERT, it is given if the length of the trapezium is other than base is the 10 centimeter. If the length of the three sides of the trapezium other than the base is equal to the 10 centimeter, find the area of the trapezium when it is the maximum. Understand the question? This is the question. This is the trapezium. This is the trapezium. This is the trapezium, and the base, the other side of the trapezium, other than base. If the three side of the trapezium is other than base is the 10 centimeter. This means it is given, this is the 10 centimeter, this is also 10 centimeter, and this is also 10 centimeter. Now, what is the question? Find the area when it is the maximum. Find the area where it is the maximum एरिया पता करना, मैक्सिमम निकालना है, तो क्या करेंगे? एरिया, इसका अब एरिया कैसे निकालते हैं? ट्रेपेजियम का एरिया, व्हाट इज द फार्मूला? दिस इज द हाइट ऑफ द ट्रेपेजियम. दिस इज द हाइट ऑफ द ट्रेपेजियम. सपोज दिस इज द E and this is the L. Now what is the, suppose this is the X, then this is also X. This is X centimeter, then it is also X centimeter. Now what is the area of the trapezium? What is the formula? The area of the trapezium of area of the trapezium of sum of the parallel side. Half sum of the parallel side. This means DC plus AB of sum of the parallel side into height. What is the height? DE is the height. DE is the. Now, in the triangle DAE, you use the Pythagoras formula. then this is the d is the under root 100 minus x. Now use the Pythagoras theorem. Then d is the under root 100 minus x square. Now area of sum of the parallel side DC. What is the DC? 10. What is the AB? What is the AB? This is also a 10. This is also 10 centimeter. Half sum of the parallel side, and this is the 10 plus 2x. Half BC plus AB into height. What is the height? Height is the under root 100 minus x. Now this is the equation A. Now you solve this. This 1/2, 10 plus 10, 20 plus 2x into 100 minus x square. Now 2 is the common. You take 2 is the common. Then this is the 10 plus x. This is the 10 plus x, and this is the under root 100 minus x. This is the equation. Now here see, this is the only one variable x. This is only one variable x. Now differentiating. But when you differentiate, the equation is root, then you square it. Then you square it both sides. Then this is the a square, and this is the a square, and squaring both sides. And this is the 10 plus x whole square, 100 minus x. बिना स्क्वायर किए भी आप सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, लेकिन यदि आप स्क्वायर करोगे तो ये इक्वेशन इजी हो जाएगा. अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ दिस इज z. सपोज दिस इज द z. स्क्वायर मैंने इसलिए किया है ताकि डिफरेंशिएशन इजी हो जाएगा. देन दिस इज द 10 plus x whole square, and this is the 100 minus x. 100 minus x square. Now of differentiating with respect to the x, then dz upon dx. Now the first function, differentiation of the second function. First function 10 plus x square. Differentiation of this minus plus second function 100 minus x square. And what is the differentiation of this? The differentiation of this is the 2 10 plus. Now you take the common 10 plus x whole square. 10 plus x is the whole square is the common. You see carefully. This is the 10 minus x. This is the 10 plus x. Then what is the common? Now you take the common 10 plus x whole square. Then this is the minus 2x, and this is the 10 plus x. 10 plus x is common. Then what is remaining here? 10 minus x, 10 minus x, 10 minus x, and 10 plus x whole square is common, and this is the 2. Now what is the equation? 10 plus x, 10 plus x whole square, and this is the 20 minus 4x. This is the 20 minus 4x. This is the 20. 10 into 20 minus 2x and minus 2x. This is the 4x. Now dz upon dx. अब क्या करते हैं? फर्स्ट ऑर्डर को 0 पे इक्वल करेंगे और x की वैल्यू निकालेंगे और उसको सेकेंड ऑर्डर में रखेंगे. दिस इज द सेकेंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव. नाउ when dz upon dx is 0, when dz upon dx is the 0, and this is 10 plus x, 10 plus whole square, and 20 minus 4x is the 0. Then what is the value of the x? X, when 10 plus x whole square is 0, this is implying x equal to minus 10. But it is not possible. When 20 minus 4x is the 0, this is implying x equal to 5. And this is possible. X equal to 5 centimeters. Now this value put in the second order derivative. If this is the negative at x equal to 5, the second order derivative is the negative, then this is the maxima. Now what is the first order derivative? First order derivative dz upon dx. dz upon dx is the 10 plus x, 10 plus x whole square, and this is at 20 minus 4x. Now you differentiate again, second order derivative, d2z upon dx square. First function, second differentiation, 10 plus x whole square, differentiation after second, minus 4, plus 20 minus 4x, 20 minus 4x, into 2, 10 plus into 2, 10 plus x. Now we take the common 10 plus x. 10 plus x is the common. 10 plus x is the common. And what is the remaining here? 10 plus x. 10 plus x into minus 4. And 10 plus x is the common. And 2. This is the 40 minus 8x. 40 minus 8x. Now this is again when 10 plus x. This is the minus 40 minus 4x plus 40 minus 8x. 40 and 40 are cancelled, and this is the minus 12x. Then 10 plus x, 10 plus x, and this is the minus into minus 12x. At x equal to 50, at x equal to 5, 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 the second order derivative, d2z upon dx square equal to, this is the 10 plus 5 is 15, and into this is the minus 60 minus 60. This is the negative. This is the negative. This is the less than 0. This is the less than 0. This means as x equal to 5, x equal to 5 is the maximum. जब सेकेंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव आता है तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, x इक्वल टू 5 जो होगा वो मैक्सिमा होगा. नाउ यू फाइंड द एरिया. अब आपको पॉइंट पता चल गया, x इक्वल टू 5, x इक्वल टू 5 इज द मैक्सिमा पॉइंट. नाउ यू फाइंड द एरिया. व्हाट इज द एरिया? द एरिया इज द 10 प्लस x. द एरिया is the 10 plus x. Area is the 10 plus x. Area is the 10 plus x. Area is the 10 plus x into 100 minus x square. Now 10 plus x is the 5. 10 plus x is the 5. And this is the 100 minus 25, 100 minus, this is the 75, this is the 50 under root 70, 75, then 5 को आप बाहर ले लो, 50 into 5 into under root 3, 145, 75 under root 3, 75 under root 3, 75 under root 3 centimeter square. This is the area. 70 under root 3 centimeter square is the area. Understand? Now we explain the another example, word problem. Example 38 of the NCERT. Example, if the example and if the question of the NCERT is very important. Now explain the example 38. Example 38 of the NCERT. In the example 38. Example 38. Example 38. Understand? Prove that the radius of the right circular cylinder of the greatest curved surface area which can be inscribed in the given cone, which can be inscribed in the given cylinder. बुक में आप टिक कर लीजिए, which can be inscribed in the given cylinder होगा. In the given cylinder is half of that of the cone. देखिए इसमें इंस्क्राइब किया जाता है. अब इसमें क्या किया गया है, एक कोन को एक सिलेंडर के अंदर इंस्क्राइब किया गया है. तो आप इसमें इंस्क्राइब करोगे, कोन को आपने सिलेंडर में, कोन को आप इसमें, कोन को आप इसमें आप जो है सिलेंडर, प्रूव दैट द रेडियस ऑफ द राइट सर्कुलर सिलेंडर. सिलेंडर है ऑफ द ग्रेटेस्ट कर्व सरफेस एरिया. सिलेंडर का ग्रेटेस्ट कर्व सरफेस एरिया होगा which can be inscribed in the cone. Now cone में inscribed किया, सॉरी कोन में inscribed किया गया है सिलेंडर को. is half that of the cone. देखिए क्वेश्चन क्या है, ये आपका कोन है, this is the cone, ये आपका कोन है. ये आपका कोण है, ये कोण ए बी सी डी। अब कोण में एक सिलेंडर को डिस्क्राइब किया, तो देखिए कोण का जो हाइट है, कोण का जो रेडियस है वो फिक्स है, ये आंसर में आएगा, ये कांस्टेंट की तरह बिहेव करेगा। तो आप क्या सपोज करो कि इसका जो रेडियस है वो r और इसका जो हाइट है, इसका जो हाइट है, the height of the cylinder is x, and this is a behave like a constant। और इस गोल में आपने क्या किया गया है, एक सिलेंडर को इंस्क्राइब किया गया है। नाउ अब एक सिलेंडर हमें इंस्क्राइब करें यहाँ पे। नाउ दिस इज द सिलेंडर, दिस इज द सिलेंडर which can be, this is the cylinder which can be inscribed, which can be inscribed in the code। अब इसमें दो वेरिएबल हैं, एक तो इसका रेडियस है, किसका रेडियस ऑफ द सिलेंडर, और एक हाइट, किसका है height of the cylinder। Now suppose this is the dn, dn is the dn या rm, dn या rm हो सकते हैं। rm is the height of the cylinder। Now suppose this is the x. What is the x? X is the radius of the cylinder। Now you see in the triangle, कौन सा ट्रायंगल, ट्रायंगल MRB is similar to the triangle CBD। आप देखो ये दोनों क्या है, सिमिलर है। कौन कौन से, PRB and CBB are the similar। This and this angle B are equal, and the angle R and the angle D both are the 90 degree। Then this is the similar। Now you can apply the property of the similarity। Then RB upon, what is the RB upon DB। हम ऐसा क्यों करें, हमको हाइट चाहिए, किसका हाइट, दो वेरिएबल है, इसमें दो वेरिएबल कौन कौन सा है, एक तो है ये x और ये किसका हाइट ऑफ द सिलेंडर एंड रेडियस ऑफ द सिलेंडर आर द टू वेरिएबल। नाउ एलिमिनेट वन वेरिएबल नाउ, एंड व्हाट इज द हाइट mr divided by CD, RB upon DB by the property of the similarity, RB upon DB equal to MR upon CD। Now what is the value of the RB? RB is the R minus X। RB, this is the R, this is the X, then this is the RB is the R minus X, and DB, what is the DB? DB is the R, and MR upon What is the value of the CD? The value of the CD is the height. This is the height. Now, MR. What is the MR? MR is the height of the cylinder, and this is the H. This is the H upon R, and R minus. ये आपका MR. MR क्या? MR is the height of the cylinder. Now, अब आपको क्या शो करना है? मैक्सिमा या मिनिमा? ग्रेटेस्ट कर्व सरफेस एरिया. क्या शो करना है? ग्रेटेस्ट कर्व सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द सिलेंडर. क्या शो करना है? प्रूव दैट इन स्क्वायर greatest curved surface area. Prove that the radius of the right circle cylinder of the greatest curved surface area, which can be described in the given form. अब इसका greatest curved surface area कब होगा? कब होगा? जब इसका जो height होगा वो cylinder की height का half होगा. Now the curved surface area. What is the formula? Curved surface area of the cylinder 2 pi r. Radius कितना है? What is the radius of the cylinder? 2 pi r h. This is the radius. This is the h. What is the h? H is the m r. Height of the cylinder is the m r. Now the curved surface area. The curved surface area equal to 2 pi x, and what is the MR? MR is the h r minus x, h r minus x r. Now, and this is the equation of the h, height of the cylinder, radius of the cylinder are the fixed, and this is the behaved like a constant. Only x is the variable. Only x is the variable. Now the area is the 2 pi h upon r. This is the constant. 2 pi h upon r is the constant into rx minus Rx minus x square. Rx minus x square. Now differentiating dA upon dx. dA upon dx क्या हो जाएगा? 2 pi x upon r. The different x का differentiation 1 r minus 2x. अब इसको क्या करेंगे? सेकेंड ऑर्डर में डिफरेंशिएट कर दीजिए. नाउ सेकेंड ऑर्डर डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे d2a अपॉन dx स्क्वायर, d2a अपॉन dx स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 2 pi x upon r into minus 2. This is the zero constant. This is the minus 4 pi x minus 4 pi x upon r, and this is the less than 0. This is the negative. The negative sign so this is the maximum, but लेकिन आपको प्रूफ करना है कि height of the cylinder is equal to the height of the cone when it is the maximum. Now dA upon dx को 0 करेंगे. When dA upon dx first term को 0 किए, dA upon dx is the 0, then 2 pi x upon r minus 2x is the 0. Then this is implying r minus 2x is the 0. This is the 2x equal to r. This is implying x equal to r by 2, x equal to r by 2. लेकिन आपको क्या चाहिए? हाइट what is the height? Height is the mr. Height is the mr. now क्या प्रूफ करना है? Prove that the radius. now ये प्रूफ करना है this is prove that the radius of the right circular cylinder. so radius क्या था इसका? x था. ये क्या होगा? this is the half होगा. किसके half होगा? ये कोण की रेडियस का हाफ होगा. यही आपको प्रूव करना है. अंडरस्टैंड? तो इसमें क्या करना है? 2 वेरिएबल है, एक वेरिएबल को एलिमिनेट करना है. ओके. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, you understand the word problem question. In the next lecture we also discuss the word problem question, and your homework is to complete the exercise 6.5 NCERT exercise 6.5, 15 to question 15, question 15 to question 26. Now in the next lecture we again discuss the word problem questions. Then after this lecture we start the second column, the integration. In the next lecture we discuss the few questions, board questions, and after this we start the second column. Okay, and you solve the R.D. Sharma board questions, chapter 18 board question. First you solve the board question of the NCERT. Understand? Okay, thank you.